Hello, today I talk about morphemes. Morphemes divide into two groups, free and bone morphemes. Free it's those who can occur alone, and bone is used with other words. For example, if we have the word wool and add the other thing or the other word, it's woolen. Or for example, free morpheme is sun, the sun, and we add rise. Okay, sunrise. If we have the word sunrise, we have a combination and it's bone morpheme. Or nation, and we add al, we have national. And another example, sport, and we add other words, it's become sportive or sportive. We have free morphemes staying at work on their own and cannot be broken down into smaller parts. And bone morpheme is a combination of a verb, and we add ly or ry or s or es, and we have a bone.